Wow, a car is about to rush out, gain momentum, and fly into a puddle. Oh, the truck slammed on the brakes and fell over. A fleet of machines is assisting a large truck with a problem. Almost done. Great. The traffic accident was caused by the car losing control in the wrong lane. Oh, a lorry is going uphill. It is losing momentum and drifting down. Much more difficult for a driver already. Wow, this car is so powerful. There are a lot of bags on it. The truck was crossing the road, but the other truck still showed no signs of slowing down. Two cars collided. The dump truck had the tire blown out. The car fell down and was not intact. On a wet, slippery road, the truck was trying to slow down. It veered off course and crashed into the road. Dangerous accidents due to the truck behind not controlling the speed. Oh, it's not because of poor quality roads, or is this car going wrong? Oh my god, the red truck is crazy. The car and the car that was swamped together plunged into the cliff. The truck was turned over by two excavators. A beautiful girl parked a car encroached on the dividing line. What is this? She used the strength to pull the car back? The breakdown of the car caused a catastrophic accident. What's up? Don't make that woman angry. The crane on the truck broke his rope and fell down. It's bad for the job. The iron on the road is being hooked up. This road needs to be repaired. A machine is raised. The woman blocking the way of a new car. Oh, this is the pinnacle of technology. The truck went uphill hard. It almost slipped over. Drivers should be more careful. The man is using the machine's exhaust to blow up a large balloon. It lit off and flew up into the sky. The truck hit the stormy wind and drifted off the roadway. Heavy cargo trucks move from the boat to the dock. No, the car needs more momentum. Too bad, the crane didn't save the truck and fell into the water with it. The whole big bridge collapsed in an instant. Crazy truck. That quick-witted driver almost got into an accident. The truck is learning the line dance. Why do you have to raise your hand like that? Strong poke. The big building collapsed. The excavator is cutting down a tree growing on the mountain. The big trees fell. Oh no, that wall fell along the excavator. This man is ecstatic. The car sped on the road to the bend when fruits were all over the road. The amount of water coming out of this car is so much, it wets the whole road. Job failed. The big truck crashed down. Fortunately, there are no cars nearby at this time. Wow, beautiful girl driving truck. She got out of the car and ran to the place where the ingredients were kept. The strong girl just put gas in the car. It was very difficult to tow the truck. The surrounding smoke and dust were created by the vehicle like a battlefield. Small incident. A car was going straight into the ditch. Two funny men fly out. The red truck turns round and round. The big truck from the small road ran out of control and fell on the road. The truck crossed the river. It is using its full strength, but it can't speed.